Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Oppo has already launched its Find X8 series last year in October. However, like some other brands such as Xiaomi and Vivo, now Oppo is gearing up for a separate launch event for its top-notch Find X8 Ultra. And thankfully, we already not only received its real-life images as well as some of its official details. So let's start with the design. So looking at the leaked image, it is in line with the earlier leaked renders. The Find X8 Ultra will have a circular camera island, somewhat similar to its earlier launch siblings, but it has undoubtedly quite a distinctive looking two-tone accent. Further, there is also a thicker ring around the camera island, which is giving it a bulkier look. Now, though this design giving the handset a differentiated look, but for me it's not that amazing for a flagship device. Let me know what are your thoughts on this. Anyway, the camera island houses a 6x optical zoom periscope sensor on top. The other 3 sensors, including another 3x optical zoom periscope sensor, an ultra-wide and a main sensor located in the dock section. Now, going by reports, all of them are said to be the 50 megapixel sensors, and the main sensor will be the huge 1-inch type Sony LYT900. On the front, just like the early leaks, the X8 Ultra will feature a flat display. So seems like flat display on top-end smartphones is making comeback, as we recently saw Samsung has also shifted its S25 Ultra's display to a flat. Here, surprisingly, the LG Find X8 Ultra seems to have slightly thicker bezels compared to flagship like Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Anyway, as per reports, it will be a 6.8 inches 2K resolution OLED panel. Moving next. So you see, in recent years, smartphone brands have put a special focus on night photography. So according to Oppo Find series product manager, the Find X8 Ultra's new lens upgrades and other hardware improvements not only improve camera low light performance but will also deliver true to life colors. At night, when there is a limited light source, this is quite a challenging task. So it will be interesting to see how much improvements the Find X8 Ultra will bring compared to the competition. Further, the brand's official confirmed that just like their recently launched Oppo Find N5, which is the world's slimmest foldable phone, the Find X8 Ultra will also be a lightweight and thin device. Under the hood, there will be the top-notch Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a huge 6000 mAh of battery with 80 watt wire charging speed. Anyway, we are expected to receive a wave of teasers for the X8 Ultra soon and maybe some spy shots. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.